All right, hello everyone. And I want to do a quick video for the support, how you can actually identify support in the market and take your trades at precise entry zones. I just did another one on resistance, so this is the support part. So first things first, I'm going to take out all the indicators as well. And this is a 15 minutes chart. Like I did say, I'm doing it from 15 minutes down. Maybe in the future, I can do like from an hour down or daily down, top down analysis. But because this is basically for high frequency, we just want to get in and out with the market, okay, in and out of the market with the bag. So taking a look at this here, so I'm going to go back and just, cut this off. Okay, great. So I came to the market and, probably I'm just analyzing this Euro USD and I'm like, okay, so I want to mark up my chart and see what's going on. I'm going to come here based on what has happened last. I see a pivot point in this area. Okay, so I can come here and put in my horizontal ray as a support. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I will now come down to, the 5 minutes and see. So we can see on the 5 minutes that, the market is showing us that there is a possible support in that zone because I can see two touches at the moment. Okay, remember, this is just an example. We just got to the market and I mean, it did form a pivot here, went up, okay, went up, came back to retest the zone, this area. So 194 is a zone. So let me do this. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to wait and see what the market does at this level. Okay, see what the market does when it comes back to this zone. And if I'm going to continue to play this, let's see what happened. Okay, so trade is going on, the market is moving. Okay. Let's see what's happening. I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Bring it down a little bit. So what's going on? Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, good. Now I can see that the market is finding it difficult to break this zone. Okay, so this is the first pivot. This is the second touch. This is the third touch. So what I can come and do here is to do what? Readjust. Okay, so I can take this here and bring down my horizontal ray here. Okay, and based on what has happened here, I can come and put another one here as well. Now, I'm not picking up this week because with the weeks are like, it's like fake outs. Okay, it's like fake outs. I'm putting it at the body of the, bearish and the bullish candle for me to kind of have that zone, that area that I need to look into to take the trade. So I'm getting a zone here, 188 to 168. So what I'm now going to do is if the market comes back to this zone again, I will now be ready to do what? To take a buy anywhere within this zone. Of course, in conjunction with after, looking at all the confirmations with cash trap, I was looking for a buy, the point system and all that. I already did that video in the past. Okay, so let's see what happens here. So I'm not going to be waiting. And what I'm going to be doing, because this is a 15 minutes chart, okay? In this kind of trade, I wouldn't mind to do, so if I'm going to be taking my first position at 188, then I will be getting ready to do maybe minimum of, I will be getting ready to do a rollover, at least 2 rollovers, to kind of let this thing clear, because this big push up that I see here, should repeat itself here, okay? And if the market comes back down, we should get another big push up, okay? So I can see with these 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, that's 15 minutes market cleared. So having said that, let's see what happens. Okay, market is going on. I would have gone to my broker and I've gone to select Euro USD. I put my time zone for 3 minutes. I'll set my alarm. Okay, I could go to do other things, and once the trade is ready, it's gonna like, you know, trigger and let me know. So I'm waiting. Okay, I have my zone 188 to 169. Those are my entry zones for the buy. So the market is getting close. Okay, let's see what happens. Boom. So at this point, see what happened here, guys. At this level, the market did what? Came, touched the 188, and did what? Go up. This is a 5 minutes candle. 3 minutes trade, I cleared this trade. Boom. Right? I've taken one trade, I've cleared it, I'm in profit already. I'm up for the day. Before I forget, let me bring in my, you know, Ivan Cabral, just to have it on, okay? Because we have analyzed the trade, so we're just waiting for it to come down to that level. So you can see from where the market did a U-turn, it came to, you can see the blue support, and you can see the Bollinger Band around that area as well. So let's see what happens. Market is doing its thing. It went up. So this was a clear already. Now, the market is coming back to touch it for, touch that entry for the second time to give me a second entry. Okay, remember, I'm not going to take the trade here because excuse me, because this area is just confirming this pivot point here as a support area. So I will be waiting for the trade to come to this level again to take it, which it did, and any further areas it is touching in the future. So this will be my first area to take a buy. Boom. I took a buy there. I made money. Look at what the market did. It pushed up from here, came touch, pushed up, came back, retest, and did what? Pushed back up as well. So this is my second area to buy. Boom. Okay. So let's play and see what's going on. Guys, that was a clear. Okay, this second trade, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, the market was above our entry. So this is 2 clears already. You're done with 2 good trades, you're done for the day, or you're done for the moment, or you're done for the hour, depending on what your daily target is. You should be up. All right, but let's see what happens going forward. Guys, you can see the market is finding it difficult. It came back there for what? It came back there for the 3rd time. Boom. So at this level, you may have entered, you know, maybe a position. So even if you had missed these first 2 levels, if you had missed 1 and 2, you'll get this. Okay, so if you had entered twice, if you had entered 188, you take the next position at 169. You go to your broker and, you know, set down your price in conjunction. Don't forget, guys, in conjunction with what you have been, you know, what you're waiting for here. Remember, Cash App is going to give you the up arrow. You get the lower Bollinger Band and stars, cross up, and what have you. This is just to like double confirm also with the Ivan Cabral, which is the double blessing strategy. Okay, so this is the 3rd entry here that you would have taken this trade. So if you had probably rolled over the first trade, the second one doesn't need rollover, guys. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. That's 15 minutes. You clear this trade, you are done. So what if you are taking 3 trades here? You're done. Okay. This is a span of how long? 1 hour. So this is a span of 1 hour, 30 minutes. You are 3-0 and you're off for the day. With 3 good trades, you can do 5% of your account. Okay. So let's see what happens. Is this still going to respect? Ooh, it did respect. Another one, boom, clear. This may have needed a rollover, but I mean, this bullish candle would have given you that clear. Okay, but mind you guys, anytime you see that market is touching a particular zone over and over again, that zone is becoming weak. So there is a possibility that if this market comes back down here, 2 things will happen. It will go back up and still give you your money, or it's going to break, retest, and find its way down. Okay, but I mean, once you take 3 positions or 2 positions here, you're good. You don't need to overtrade. All right, so let's see what happened. Market kept on going up. And you see the reason why it is respecting this zone is because this is a strong zone. This is a strong zone on the 15 minutes. Okay, so guys, look at it. Just look at that move. The market is going to the moon, going to the moon, going to the moon. So you are done. Okay, you are done. No stress. It's easy. Follow the cash trap point system. Then you can come up here, mark up your chart, and wait for the trade. An indicator calls a trade. You want to double confirm, just come to see where it is touching. Is it touching the support zone? Is it touching the resistance zone, like in the previous video that I did? All you got to do is take your trade, take the time frame the indicator is calling for you, and use proper risk management. And if you're trading on your own, follow the instructions and you're good to go. All right. So with that being said, just going to stop the video here. It's just a short one, and more videos will still come. Okay. Thank you guys, and see you soon.